Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be looking at on how you can delete your YouTube channel. So this is our YouTube channel. Um, Here's how you access it. You want to press on your name and then you want to press on your channel. Once you press on your channel, you're going to come over here. Once you're over here, you're going to press on Customize Channel. Once you press on Customize Channel, you want to go to Settings, which is located in the left bottom corner. So we're just going to press on Settings. Once you're in Settings, you want to go to Channel. Over here, you're going to see Advanced Settings. You go to Advanced Settings, and then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and you will be pressing on Remove YouTube Content. Or you can manage YouTube account. We want to remove it. So we remove YouTube content. And then over here, we just want to put in our password. I hope that is the right password. And then you just want to select, I want to permanently delete my channel. And whatever, delete my content for teaching purpose. And then delete my content. Oh wait. Please confirm by, okay. You can just copy this and then paste it and then just press on delete my content, and yeah, that's gonna be it. Your account is completely deleted now. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.